everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you this easy recipe for Louisiana Chicken Pasta. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner and is packed with tons of flavor. So take a minute to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. For the chicken strips, 2 to 3 chicken breasts cut into strips, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup of cornmeal, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. For the pasta sauce, you'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 diced red bell pepper, 1 diced yellow bell pepper, 1 diced onion, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, and 1 box of bowtie pasta. Place the cut chicken strips into a Ziploc bag along with the beaten egg and buttermilk. Mix the flour, breadcrumbs, cornmeal, and spices in another large Ziploc bag. Add the marinated chicken strips to the bag with the breadcrumb mixture and then shake to coat the chicken with the breading. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees, then cut the butter into slices and place them on the baking sheet. Put the baking sheet into the oven to melt the butter. Once the butter has melted, use a brush to spread the butter over the bottom of the pan. Place the chicken strips on the baking sheet. Bake the chicken strips for 10 minutes, then remove from the oven and flip the chicken over. Bake the chicken for an additional 10 minutes until it is golden brown. While the chicken is cooking, melt the butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat and add the peppers and onions. Sauté until they are tender, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the garlic and red pepper flakes and cook for 1 more minute. Add the chicken broth, cream, Cajun seasoning, and the box of pasta. Bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat and let the pasta simmer for 15 minutes, stirring often. When the pasta is tender and the sauce is your desired consistency, serve it in a bowl topped with the chicken. I hope you like this Louisiana chicken pasta as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please make sure you have subscribed to my recipe channel, and I'll see you next time.